Again, good morning, grade 5. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Right, so let's start for our class today. So our lesson for today is about decimal. Still to this topic. Very quick topic for today. So for today, our lesson is about zero and decimal. What does it mean? What is this? Any idea? What is zero and decimals? Any idea? Grade 5? No? When you say zero and decimals, what is the use of zero in decimals?
Yes, I don't know.
Okay. All right. So we use zero to change the value of the decimal, meaning even though we put zero in the decimal places, still the value is the same, correct? It doesn't change the value of the decimals, even though we put many zeros in the last part of the decimals. Let's see the example. So you can picture out what teacher is talking about. So we have here figure 1, 2, 3. So in figure 1, we have colored part is 4 out of 10 equal parts. And picture number 2, colored part is 40 out of 100 equal parts. As well as the picture number 3, colored part is 400 out of 1,000 equal parts. Now, what can you notice on this figure? So in figure 1, the colored parts can be written as 4 over 10. 4 over 10. In figure 2, the colored parts can be written as 40 over 100. And the last figure, figure number 3, the colored part can be written as 400 over 1,000. This is on page 102. Okay, 102. So again, in figure 1, the colored parts can be written as 4 over 10. In figure 2, the colored parts can be written as 40 over 100. Okay, now in figure 3, the colored parts can be written as 400 over 1,000. So now let's see. Let's consider this pattern. So 4 over 10 equals 4 times 10 over 10 times 10 equals 4 times 100 over 10 times 100. So on the second figure, we can use also the 4 over 10. We can multiply it into 10. Both numbers, numerator and denominator, multiply by 10. As well as the third picture, we can multiply 4 over 10 by 100 over 100. So we can get 400. This one, you can see the answer. So on fraction form, we get 4 over 10 equals, it's the same thing, answer 40. So 4 times 10 is 40 10 times 10 is 100. So 40 over 100. As well as this one, 4 times 100 equals 400 over 10 times 100 equals 1,000. So how do we write this in decimal form? So in decimal form, it is written as, so 4 over 10 is 0.4. While 40 over 100, we can write it as 0.40 or 0.40 hundredths. Next, 400 over 1,000, we can write in decimal form as 0.4 hundred thousandths. Okay, 400 thousandths. Did you get it? So this is just a review. Now let's answer this exercise 1. Can you please read the instruction in exercise number 1? What is instruction? Can you read? Who can read? Number 1, read please. Grade 5, go. Who can read?
Number 1.
Yes, number 1. Read the
Write
instruction.
the one decimal digit that is equivalent to the decimal given.
Very good. Thank you. So it said here that write the one decimal digit that is equivalent to the decimal given. All right. So what are you going to do?
I don't know.
So number 1, look at the decimal 0.90 equals 0.9. What happened to number 1? It removed the 0. Okay, that's why 0 and decimal, it removed the 0. But the value is still the same. It's still equal to 0.9 tenths. Okay, this one, 0.9. Okay, number 2. What is the answer for number 2? Write the one digit, one decimal digit. Anyone?
2.3.
Correct. 2.3. It said in number 1, one decimal digit. So you can put the whole number is 2. Okay. Point. Don't forget the point. 0.3. Okay, now number 3. What is number 3? 19. So what are you going to do here? Whole number? Is it whole number? 19? 19. What is the answer for number 1? Anyone? For number 3, what is the answer? We have 19. And then write the one decimal digit.
19.0.
Correct. 19.0. 19. Point 0. You can copy the answer, huh? Grade 5. Next, number 2. Please read the instruction number 2. What are you going to do? Lukwa, can you please read number 2? Go. Right.
The two decimal digits that is equivalent to the decimal given.
Very good. Thank you. Write the two decimal digits that is equivalent to the decimal given. So number 1 have already answered. 0.6 equals 0.60. What happened to number 1? They add 0. Okay, on where? They add 0 on what place value? On hundreds place. Okay, remember from the leftmost, this is 6. What is the place value of 6? 10. 6 tenths. And then this one is hundreds. So number 2, what is the answer? 7.3 hundredths thousands. What is that? Write 2 decimals digit C7 in number 2, 7.3000. What is the answer? Anyone? 7. What will be the answer? Ruabin, 7 point what? 7.
7.330.
Correct. 30. 2 decimal digits. Okay. Exercise number 2, 2 decimal digits. Number 3, what is the answer? We have 8.
8.00.
Yes, 8.00. Very good. Okay, any question for exercise 2? Now let's go to exercise number 3. Can you please read? Ruabin, please read exercise number 3. Go.
Write the 3 decimal digits that is equivalent to the decimal given.
Thank you. So this time 3 decimal digits. So this time number 1 have no answer. But we can use 0 to make decimal into 3-digit decimal. Okay, go. Let's number 1. What will be the answer? 6.80. So we just add 0 here to make 3 decimal digit. 6.80 and then 0. Okay, so we have 3 decimal digits. This one, 3 decimal digits. Next, number 2. What is the answer? Gao, go, Gao. Number 2. Gao. 6 point. Gao, go. Cow. Go, cow. Please, number 2. Cow. 6. Go. Try. Cow. 6.9.
9.
What's next? 7.
7.
Oh, what's next? We need 3 decimal digits. What are we going to put in here? Next.
0.
Correct. 0. Ah, very good. So 6.970. Next, number 3. Bonat. Go. Number 3. Bonat. Go. 25. Bonat. Go. Bonat, can you hear me? Bonus. No. Printer, can you hear me, printer? Can you speak now? Or you can type. Okay, can you type your answer on the chat box? Number 3, type your answer on the chat box. Printer, go. What's your answer? 25. I need to see 3 decimal digits, printer.
Teacher, Peter says 25.
25 point what? I need to see 3 decimal digits. 0, 0. Yes, very good. You need another 0. So we need 3 decimal digits. 0. Okay, 25.000. All right. Any questions so far? Grade 5. Next. Exercise number 4. What are you going to do? Emmy, can you please read? Emmy. Right. Emmy, can you please read number 4? Emmy, can you read? Can you hear me? Yes, you, Emmy. Read the instruction of exercise number 4.
Write true or false in each.
Circle. Okay, right, true or false. So you already know what is the meaning of true. What is true? What is true? Grade 5. When you say true, the statement is correct. When you say false, the statement is incorrect or not correct. Okay, now let's see. Number 1. 0.8 equals 0.8000. Is it true or false?
True.
Correct. This is true. So remember, even you add many zeros on the decimal place, still the value is the same. This is true. Okay. Number 2, 3.4 equals 34.00. Is it true or false? Is it equal? 3.4 equals 34.00. True or false? Okay, who is in here? Jeng, can you hear me? Number 2, what is the answer? Is it true or false?
True.
True, is it true or false?
False.
False, correct. This is false. Why? Why it's wrong? Why it's false? Where is the decimal point?
But 3.4 equals
Yes, very good.
0.
Correct. Number 3, is it true or false? Junia, is it true or false? Number 3.
False.
False. Why false? So the whole number is 39. On the left side, it also 39. So this is true. Okay? This is true. This is equal. 39.00 is equal to 39. It has the same value. Next, number 4, 95.67 or 95.670. Is it true or false? Kim, number 4. Kim, what is your answer? True or false?
Mr.
Number 4. You can.
Number 4 is true.
True. Very good. True. Okay, this is also true. Very easy. Okay, grade 5. Understand? So next, any question? No question. So let's move to another lesson. So next, comparing decimals with no more than 3 digits or 3 decimal digits. When you say comparing, there are 2 decimal digits. There are 2 numbers. So we are going to compare this time the decimal digits. So let's see this example. Picture number 1. We have 0.2 on the left side. And on the right side, we have 0.5. Now, what is how to compare this? We need to use, what is the word we are going to use in here? We are going to use less than, greater than, or equal to, correct? So number 1, figure number 1, 0.2 is less than 0.1. Next, number 2, what is the decimal digits? 0. On the left side, there is 0.23. Okay, on the right side, we have 0.26. What is this? Let's compare. Mark it. 0.23 is what? Less than or greater than?
Is 0.23
23. Yes.
is less than 0.26.
Very good. 0.23 is less than 0.26. Number three. Dawn, can you hear me, Dawn? Can you speak? Dawn?
Yes.
Yes, go, Dawn. What is the, compare these two decimal digits. 0.097.
Right, teacher.
Okay.
0.097 0.092.
Correct. Very good. So 0.097 is greater than 0.092. Okay. Now, let's see the table showing the decimal comparison. So here is the table, 0.02 or 0.2 and 0.5. So in ones place, 0 equals 0. In tens place, first decimal digit is 2 and 5. So meaning 2 is smaller than 5. So less than. So in hundreds, there is no number. Number 2, 0.23 and 0.26. So 2 is equal to. And how about in hundreds? 3 is less than 6. So the answer is less than. How about in number 3? 0.097 and 0.092. In ones place, we have 0 where there is no whole number. In tens place, we have 0 also. We don't have tens. We don't have number in tens place. In hundreds place, there is 9 and 9, so equal. In thousands place, there is 7 and 2. So 7 is greater than 2. So the answer is greater. 0.97 is greater than. Okay, now let's move to this example. It's this exercise number 1. Can you please read the instruction? Exercise number 1. What are you going to do here? Lukwa, can you please read again? Go, Lukwa. Add zero.
Add zeros to one of the decimals so that their decimal digits are equal.
Correct. Very good. So now let's see number 1. 0.8 and 0.54 can be written or can be rewritten as, what is the, how to make this equal? Grade 5. So we will just add what? 0. Okay. We will just add 0 on 0.8. 0.80. Okay, equals 0.54. All right. So number 2. Number 2. What's the answer for number 2? Anyone? So 0.347 and what? 0.610. That's it. Number 3. Junia, can you please read number 3? What's the answer? 0.9.
9 and 0.384 can be written as
Okay, 900. So look on the other number and 0.384. Next, number 4. Earth. Go, Earth. 0.18 and
0.180 and 0.0.
Mhm. You are muted.
0.180
Yes.
and 0.
0. Very good. Next, number 5. Last one. Market. Go, market.
7.60 and 6.9.
Correct. Very good. 9.5, no? Very good. Next, number. Oh, no, no more. Any question from this? It's quite easy. You will just add zeros, not to make the digit. Okay? You just add zeros to one of the decimals so that their decimals digits are equal. Now let's move to exercise number 2. Number 2.
Wait,
So
teacher.
this time,
Wait, teacher.
oh, sorry. Why? What number are you now? What number?
Number 5, exercise 1.
Yes. Number 5. You just add 0 to 6. See 7.06. 60 rather. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's move to exercise number 2. This time you are going to write greater than and less than sign in each box. Very simple, no? Very easy. So this time you are going to write the sign of greater than and less than. So number 1. What is the answer for number 1? Let me call people. Can you hear me, people? Yes. What is the answer for number 1?
Number 1
Yes.
is 0.9 more than 0.5.
Correct. So what is the answer? 0.5 is less than or greater than?
Less than.
Correct. 0.5, say in a sentence, people, 0.5 is less than 0.9. Next, number 2. Number 2, Mami Yao. Okay. Is Mami Yao here? Go, Mami Yao. Number 2. 0.8
0.8
is less than or greater than?
less than
Less than?
0.19.
Less than, yes or no? What's the answer, Mami Yao? What's your answer? Less than or greater than?
Less than.
Why less than? Why less than? What is the digit in tens place? Mhm. So look on the tens place. What is the digit on tens place? There is 8 and 1. So 8 is greater, no? We have to focus on the first digit. Okay, this is greater. 0.8 is greater than 0.19. Number 3. Who is number 3? Foran. Foran, number 3. Go. Number 3. 1.36 and 1.38. Go, Foran. So look on the place value of each digit. What's the answer, Foran? Go. 1.36 and 1.38. Foran, can you hear me?
1.38.
1.36 is what? Less than or greater than? Less than. Very good. Next, number 4. Danish, number 4. 0.754 is what? 0.95. Less than or greater than? So look at the number
0.753
7.
less than 0.95.
Correct. Less than. Very good. Next, number 5. Bonat. Are you here, Bonat? Number 5. No. Otis, can you hear me? Otis? Otis, number 5.
Yes.
5. Yes. So 5 in one's place equal. How about in tens place here? 5.82 is what? Greater than or less than?
Less than.
Look at the tens place here. 8 and then here. Greater than.
Better than.
Yes, greater than. Okay. 8 is greater than 7. Very good. Next, D. Number 6, D. D, can you hear me? No? Ruabin, number 6. What's the answer? Number 6. Go.
Hey, teacher, number 6
Yes, number 6.
Greater than.
Greater than. Very good.
Greater than.
Yes. 8.6 is greater than 1.237. Why? Because the digit in the whole number is 8.
8 and 1.
1.
8 is
Next number.
greater than 1.
Correct. Correct. 8 is greater than 1. Next, number 7. Mamiao. What's the answer? Mamiao. What is your answer? Mamiao.
9.46 is greater than 9.352.
Correct. Greater than. The answer is greater than. Next, number 8. Junia. Junia. Can you answer number 8?
9.08 is greater than 85.1.
Look at the whole number. The whole number is 9 on the left. And then here, 85. Which is less, 9 or 85? So the answer here is less than. Okay? 9 is less than to 85. Next, number 9. Lukwa, number 9. Lukwa, number 9. What is the answer? 0.006 is
0.006 is less than 0.
correct. Very good. Less than. Okay. On the ones place, there is 0. Tens place, 0. Here is 6. So less than. Next, number 10. Last one. Number 10, Kim. Kim, go, Kim. Number 10.
Number 10.
Yes, number 10.
Student.
What is the whole number? 131. Okay. Kim, go. What's the answer?
Teacher, how to teacher? It have less than and
What is it? Less than or greater than? 131.8 is less than or greater than?
less than.
Correct, less than. No? Less than. Very good. So that's it. Very easy, right? Okay, so do you have any questions?
Time up.
Yes, time's up. Do you have question for this topic? Easy, right? No question. Okay, so that's it. What is your next class today?
Science.
Science.
If you don't have a question, you can prepare now for your next.
Can I leave now?
Bye, everyone.
Itu, Wai.
See you.